If the infotainment system in your Buick Enclave isn't working properly, start by checking the basics before assuming a major failure. First, make sure the system is actually getting power by inspecting the radio and infotainment fuses and confirming your vehicle battery is healthy, since a weak battery or blown fuse can cause screen blackouts or audio loss. If power looks fine, try a soft reset by holding the power or volume button for about 10 to 15 seconds, or in some cases, disconnecting the battery briefly to clear minor glitches. You should also check for loose wiring, especially around the head unit, amplifier, or underdash connections, as moisture or corrosion can interrupt signals. Sometimes the issue is software related, so asking a dealership about available system updates from General Motors can resolve freezing or random restarts. If none of these steps work, the problem may involve a faulty module, amplifier, or head unit, which requires a diagnostic scan tool to detect communication errors. Until it's repaired, features like Bluetooth, navigation, and the backup camera may not function reliably.